Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another update on my pregnancy. I am currently 38 weeks and 4 days and coming really close to my delivery date, which is October 11th. And I'm super excited, super nervous, but I'm here to update you guys just on my symptoms and how I've been feeling, and kind of give you guys an informational view for my mommies out there, just so you guys know what to expect in this part of your pregnancy. And I'm just super anxious and just ready for this baby to get here. But before we get into today's video, I'd love for you to subscribe if you are new to my channel. My name is Ayviana and I post videos here on my main channel once a week, as well as on my vlog channel, which will be linked into the description box below. Don't forget to check it out, and let's get on today's video. So it is currently October 1st, 2019, and I am 38 weeks and approximately 4 days pregnant. What's really crazy is that I'm now accepting the fact that I'm having a baby this month, and I'm bringing a human, beautiful baby girl into this world, and I'm so excited. And if it's one thing, I am definitely nesting and I'm feeling so energized. I also have my days where I just do not want to get up from my bed and do things. I just want to lay down and I just want to nap after each meal. And you just get like a significant amount of just positive energy. You just want to do everything that you can before the baby's here, and that's what I did. Not only did I like move into a completely brand new room, I organized and have everything ready for my baby to be here so that I could just have a smooth recovery after everything's washed, everything's clean in my house, everything in my room is organized, in my baby's dresser, everything for my baby is organized, and I am just completely nesting and just ready for this baby. Let's talk about some of my symptoms. I'm definitely more on like the calmer side. I have been watching a lot of mommies here on YouTube and what their symptoms are, and they like say like they're PMSing and that their emotions change a lot, but really it's the opposite for me. Other than like little things, I'll let it bother me, but I've just had a really positive mindset this past few weeks compared to like the middle of my pregnancy. I really do believe it's all mental, and it's definitely your mind and your thoughts and your prayers as well. I pray every single night, and I also have been working on just meditation and breathing techniques, which before your pregnancy is vital, because when going into labor, a lot of mommies tend to overwhelm themselves. It's focusing your intentions on that you'll have this baby. Like I said in my previous pregnancy update, which was for my 33 weeks, I do plan on having a natural birth and praying that this baby has no complications and I will have this baby smoothly. And as a word of advice, speaking things into existence does work, and you guys should believe in it, and affirming your goals, affirming your emotions, affirming what's happening in your life and what you want to happen. It is very powerful once you do speak into existence, and that is what I am doing. I am speaking it into existence that I'm going to have a natural labor and I'm going to have a smooth delivery and not be in labor for over a day. And I've definitely have been inducing my labor by eating spicy food, walking, and sexual intercourse as well. It's just stretching in the morning. And I recommend buying a birthing ball for when you do give labor, that you do bounce on that, you breathe and you roll. And my next baby appointment is coming up this week on Thursday, and I will be checking if I am, you know, between 1 and 4 centimeters dilated, which is most mommies at this time of their pregnancy. But even if you're not, dilation really doesn't weigh that big of a factor. You can be dilated 4 centimeters to 8 centimeters the last week of your pregnancy and have your baby within a day or 2 days. I'm feeling a sharp pain in my cervix, and it's called like lightning pains or something. It's whenever like you're walking or standing too long, or you're sitting down, and it's just a pain in your cervix, kind of like period cramps. That's when you know like your cervix is moving and it's stretching, and your cervix is trying to find a way to push the baby out. So that movement does cause menstrual related cramps. And so I've definitely been feeling that, definitely irregular, and no means like actual contractions. I feel like I'll be feeling them within the next few days, maybe after this weekend for sure. And my last baby appointment, as I said, was about a week ago, and everything with my baby is looking perfect, sounding perfect, and she's about 6 pounds right now. Did confirm that the baby is head down and engaged and ready for labor. So for my last symptom, it's definitely back pains and not being able to sleep at night because of how bad they are. I get a pain in, mostly the issue is in my lower back area, and turning while I'm sleeping is like painful, and that's also where I feel the lightning cramps in my cervix. Stretch in like the middle of the night. I don't necessarily get like leg cramps anymore, but it's just mostly in my back is where I feel the pain. She has been moving my entire pregnancy, but lately she's been moving a lot at night, which usually means that she's gonna be up all night and she's just gonna be an insomniac baby, which is okay. I mean, I was preparing for that because my man, he was an insomniac baby. Oh my gosh, see, like she's kicking right now. She's like, "Mommy, hurry up, I'm hungry." He did not fall asleep easily at night. He would stay up a lot as a baby. Baby for sure has been very active at night as of late. So, but it is encouraging, and it's amazing to feel your baby move and knowing that you're just moving farther along, and in no ways am I going crazy at all. Like, I'm enjoying my pregnancy. I have been enjoying my pregnancy, and I know I will miss all of this and the feeling of carrying my baby girl. Yeah, I just know that time's gonna fly by once she's here. I haven't gotten any nausea. I haven't gotten any like headaches, migraines. I've been sleeping a lot, like I said. Some days I just sleep all day, but lately I've been waking up early around 8 to 10, and I would have a good breakfast. I used to eat like 3 times a day, but now I only eat twice. But they're big hearty meals and they're nutritional, as well as I do drink water, 72 ounces to like 85 to 90 a day. This is a 50-ounce bottle, so I just refill this and just drink 2 of those. I just encourage to walk, definitely walk to induce your labor. And yeah, you guys, that pretty much sums up all of my symptoms that I'm having. And oh, I'll show you guys my bump. Oh, don't mind, I'm wearing my pajamas, but this is my belly right now. And in the morning it's like super tiny and round. It hasn't really dropped. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really up high. I've definitely been carrying her up high. And I'll show you guys, I have been getting stretch marks towards the bottom. Not really like around in this region, but if you guys can see, I am getting stretch marks like right here, really bad. I'm glad they're just on the lower area, not up here at all, not above my belly button, just maybe around my belly button. Also, definitely get your hands on this stretch mark cocoa butter lotion. I put this on like 3 times a day, and it's so good and has been helping with my stretch marks fade. I've noticed from applying, I used to apply it every night, and now I apply it like way more than that. Definitely been helping to moisturize and fade the appearance of my stretch marks. Also, my hands today, like I'll have days where my hands are balloons, and some days they're just like this and they're not as like, I mean, they still look pretty swollen but on other days they look really crazy. And my face as well, I'll have like a lot of water retention in my nose. My nose gets swollen, my lips are swollen. But yeah, and another update on my man, he's just been so attentive, so gentle, and just doing everything for me and making this process, this time of my pregnancy, just amazing. And usually like at the end of the pregnancy, that's when you're needing that encouragement and just all that love. I appreciate my man so much. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That's all for today's update, and I possibly will be inserting a clip of me doing the baby mama dance for you guys, because I was requested on Twitter to do that. So let's get on to it.
Mom, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it off.
If she a baby mama,
go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon'